Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I am showing you how to do this curly hair. If you like it, like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Let's get on to the video.
And guys, to start video, I need some straw, and it's a $1.50 cents, and some rags. And this, I got it from her old
You
t-shirt.
can see my sister's taking one section of my hair. She's gonna roll it with the straw around and around, but not like always like all the way down. She's gonna take a little bit and then she's gonna put it like together, almost together, and she's gonna roll it with the rag. That was my shirt. I ripped it because it was really old. And you see, she just rolled it and she tied it with a rag. Guys, this is really simple. That's why anybody can do it. And I'm going to come back after I'm done. Bye! Now I'm done, guys. And you can see all of my hair. All the way back. Good morning, guys. And welcome back. I'm so excited. I don't know how it's going to look like. Oh my goodness, Krisha's heart. What is that? Is that my hair?
And yeah guys, it's really not a comfortable sleeping with this. So if you are interested to doing this, then I'd recommend you to do at morning time rather than at evening. So you can go to bed after open it, and you won't have any pain, but you will have a very super curly hair like her. Yeah guys, you can see it's a really curly, super strong curl. And now I'm gonna open all this and come back. Finally we are back guys. It takes almost 5 to 10 minutes to open, and you can see it's a pretty smooth and strong curl. It lasts so longer until you wash your hair. And guys, you can also tease your hair and put some spray if you want more volume on your hair, or leave as it is like I did. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy watching my video. See you on my next video.